Want to make $7,000 per month from YouTube without showing your face, without editing, and without doing anything? InVideo AI plus DeepSeek, the laziest way to get rich on YouTube 2025. Stay with me because in the next 10 minutes, I will show you exactly how to create viral AI generated YouTube videos and start cashing in. Stop! Before making a video, you need a hot topic, right? You cannot just upload random stuff like my dog breakfast routine and expect to viral. Nobody cares. That's where DeepSeek come in. This AI tool like a YouTube fortune teller, it's tell you exactly what people are charging for. Step 1. Put DeepSeek link in description below. Step 2. Type something about like AI, money making or motivational video and other things you like. Boom! DeepSeek gives you viral trending topic like Elon Musk's secret morning routine, low competition keywords, so you actually rank on higher. Trending video ideas that get millions of views. Example purpose, the secret to becoming a millionaire in 2025, viral because everybody want to reach a millionaire. Once you have found a viral topic, it's time for writing a script in boring and takes forever. But not today. We let InVideo AI do all the work for you. Go to InVideo AI link in description below for easy access. To unlock the power of InVideo AI, all you need to do is sign up with your Gmail. It's quick, easy, and you are in. This is your ticket to start creating videos. After sign up, choose a template design for explainer videos or start from scratch. Choose your video length. 1. Short video 3 to 5 minutes, perfect for YouTube shorts and quick engagement. Number 2. Standard video 5 to 10 minutes, best for regular YouTube content and watch time. Number 3. Long form video like 10 to 15 minutes, ideal for deep and drives and higher revenue. Then going to step 1, paste your viral video title from DeepSeek you already generate. Add relevant information to level up your videos to the get next level. Pro tips: if your account is free, select stock media. If you have a paid plan, use only AI generated clips for a professional and unique look. Step 3, add background music. Music makes or breaks your video. Choose a soundtrack that matches the energy of your content. Step 4, choose your video language. This is a game changer. You can create videos in multiple languages like English, Hindi, Dutch, German, Portuguese, Spanish, and more. Reach a global audience and multiply your views. I will select English for this video. Step 5, add branding, watermark, logo, and CTA. Boost to brand authority, add your logo and watermark so nobody can steal your content. You can also add a call to action to drive engagement. Step 6, click continue and let AI do the magic. Watch as your video gets processed in minute. You don't need a lift a finger. AI does everything. Step 7, review and edit before downloading. Almost done. But before you upload, check for any mistake. If something feels off, you can edit and correct it easily. Final step, download and upload. Congratulations, your AI-powered YouTube video is ready.
It starts now. Are you ready to take control of your life and create lasting change? You know that feeling deep down, that burning desire for something more? In this video, we'll explore 10 powerful habits that can transform your life in just 30 days. That's right, just 30 days to feel happier, healthier, and more fulfilled. Whether you're looking to improve your productivity, boost your mental health, or achieve your goals, these habits are designed to help you build a better version of yourself. Are you ready? Let's do this. You know that groggy feeling you get when the alarm goes off? What if you could wake up feeling energized and excited about the day? That's where gratitude comes in. Instead of hitting the snooze button, start your day by focusing on what you're grateful for. Gratitude acts like a magnet for joy and positivity, setting the tone for your entire day. Ever feel like there's just not enough time in the day to get everything done? You're juggling work, family, friends, and somewhere in there, you're trying to find time for yourself. The key is to become the master of your own clock. Prioritize tasks, set realistic deadlines, and learn to say no to distractions. Stop letting time manage you and start managing your time.
Time to get paid. 3 easy way to earn money from AI YouTube videos. Number 1, YouTube ads. More views, more money. 2, affiliate marketing. Promote AI tool and get commissions. Number 3, brands will pay you to feature their tool. Post 10 to 20 videos a month and boom, you are on the way to making $7,000 per month. If you want to more AI money making tricks, hit like and subscribe unless you enjoy